Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas, and I have the pleasure again of showing you this beautiful, gorgeous 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. Beautiful paint, just came out of Nevada. No rust on the car. Beautiful copper, I believe it's a Copperhead color on the car. The Eleanor body kit has been professionally molded onto the car, as you can see. Beautiful lines throughout the car. Aftermarket wheels and tires. It's got a 289 with an automatic trans. This 289 must be, obviously it's rebuilt because you can tell when we're driving it, but it probably has a mild cam in it. That's what it sounds like, and I'll fire it up shortly. Beautiful, gorgeous car. That's absolutely stunning. All right, we'll take a ride in our virtual test drive video here. So all the gauges seem to function correctly, from the oil pressure gauge to the speedo, the odometer, the fuel gauge, the alternator gauge, and your temp gauge. All seems to be operating excellent. Great pickup, good down kick. Carburetor is adjusted perfectly. Took me about an hour to get that adjusted, but you know what? It's freaking perfect now. Wipers function, as you can see. Horn not working. Keep that in mind. I am 100% transparent with all the cars that I sell. Does have the init steering column, tilt wheel. It's a chrome setup, which you'll see in my photos. It's got an aftermarket Bluetooth radio Alpine with the CD player. I just don't know how to turn it on, I'll be honest with you. I'm not really into these late model stereo systems, but it's got kick 5-inch speakers and a kick panels. You got two 6x9s in the package tray in the back. Beautiful center console. You got two coffee holders here, cup holders. Beautiful touch. It's been wrapped around really nice. Beautiful interior. I mean, the headliner is tight. Seats are perfect. Door panels are perfect. Dash has no cracks in it. All the clusters, gauges seem to be original and great clear lenses, working condition. Take a ride here. All the turn signals function, lights. We'll hop on the freeway. Want to get up to some mile per hour here. We're really excited having this car in our collection. It handles the road really nice. There's no weird noises hitting bumps going down the road, then it goes straight down the road. Enjoy. About 70 miles an hour. There's no shakes in the steering wheel. It goes down the road perfectly straight. No overheating issues whatsoever. Whoever buys this is going to love it. first person to test drive it is going to buy the car. That's how nice it is. Honestly. I'm a 100% eBay seller. No BS. Everything's transparent. You know, everything that's going on, you can't even come look at the car because of COVID-19. So I make these long videos. I take over 100 photos to show you everything on the car. And I'm going to tell you, this car does not have a scratch on this Copperhead color. Not a scratch. Perfectly molded Eleanor kit too. Aftermarket aluminum wheels. Great set of tires. 289, mild cam, automatic trans, front power disc brake, well actually front disc brakes, and it stops excellent. And guess what? We got a state police right in front of us. The seat belts, front and back, are all intact. All the windows roll up and down really nice. The quarter windows open fairly easy as well. A beautiful car, guys. I mean, get the stereo to work, and this is ideal. No overheating problems. It's 90 degrees right now in Addison, Illinois today, making the video, and I'm running at about, I would say, well, it's in the middle, so I would say about 195, and it does stop and steer great. Undercarriage is really nice on the car. The trunk, it's a rust-free car out of Nevada, clear title. Very good temperament car, easy to drive, easy to steer. Actually, we're going to go straight and get some lunch. So, as far as financing, we have great interest rates. They start about 3.5% to 4%. You got to have excellent credit, okay? Now, if your credit score is like 640 to 695, you're going to require 10% down. If it's 700 and above, most likely no money down. Great rates as well. So I got a couple different lenders that can take care of that for you. If you need delivery, I'm sure you do. Text me, call me with your or email me with your zip code, and I'll get you a quote. Fairly inexpensive anywhere in the country, really, to be honest with you. So keep that in mind. If you guys are serious about the car, we can definitely take care of those two things for you. If you want to look at more photos of this car or any other car that we have, go to mgmclassiccars.com. Filter through it. You guys are going to have a good time. I do long videos and describe the cars. I do a lot of photos, so you guys know what you're buying. We're not hiding anything as well. So I mean, that's why we do that. Located in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We're about 25 minutes northwest of the Chicago O'Hare Airport, about 45 minutes from Chicago Midway Airport, and about an hour and a half from Milwaukee Airport. So we're centrally located if you wanted to come check it out. But remember, COVID-19 is now, and I will definitely not be showing the car in person if you're from the hotspot states. Okay, so keep that in mind. All the cars get disinfected before they leave the dealership as well. So anyway, call me, text me, 847-848-1850. to do a quick walk around. MGMClassicCars.com. That again is MGMClassicCars.com, guys. We are about quality and not quantity like the other dealers, some that I will not mention. But we are 100% transparent. Anything you want to see on my cars, I will take the photos for you, okay, and show you. But this is a real live video that I'm doing, so you guys know what you're buying. Call me, text me. My number is 847-848-1850. I guarantee you guys, I'm the originator. I'm the best in the Northwest. It ain't a rhyme, it's a fact. All right, MGMClassicCars.com. Hey everyone, I hope you liked the video on the Mustang. I just want to clarify something. It is a 1968. I mentioned 1967 in the video. I made a mistake. It happens. But it's a 1968. You guys are going to love the car. Watch the video again. Look at all the photos. Call me, text me. 847-848-1850. We'll talk soon. Thank you.